I'm trying to make baked tofu. Very simple, right? It only needs 1 block of extra firm tofu, a quarter cup of nooch, and 1 tablespoon of this chicken seasoning. No problem. Okay, so I took out the extra firm tofu and it says drain and slice, right? So I'm trying it now. I ordered a tofu presser, so that'll be coming probably later today. Maybe I should have waited, but I'm pressing the tofu. I lost some of it. It went down the drain because it got all flaky. And I'm supposed to slice this. It's supposed to be sliced. It's all crumbling now because I pressed it. Did I press too hard? Did I press too much? I don't know. Because sometimes it says press overnight. And so I'm just pressing. And now I got to figure out how to make slices out of this. So I'm going to pause the recording and we'll see what happens. The other thing I want to mention is, yes, I got parchment paper. Yes, I now know the difference between wax paper and parchment paper. Everybody was really scared that I was going to burn down my house. I almost did, but I'm good. So the first time using parchment paper, I'm trying to put it in this pan, but look how it I had to keep cutting it down to fit, and it curls up, and if I push it down that way, it barely fits and it slides, but whatever. We'll figure that out in time. Now I'm trying to slice the tofu. So I took out my new knife, maybe a little bit too big for this. And I'm just kind of slicing it. It's all crumbled though. I don't get it. And I patted dry, just say patted dry. So I'm slicing. But I remember when Jill and Kathy did it, they were such nice slices and they look like real. You know, it says extra firm. It really does say extra firm. And it doesn't seem to be very firm. So I'm going to have to improvise, I guess. And they have these beautiful thick slices like that. And now this is what I've got. I guess I can do crumbled baked tofu. Oh, all right. So I was supposed to put it in, oh, here's like a little piece. I was supposed to put it in the seasoning and then put it on the parchment paper. So I guess my pieces will just be crumbles or little tiny pieces. And I'm gonna have to figure out how to, maybe I pressed too hard when I drained the tofu. So, you know, for those of you who kind of like me, which I'm sure there's not many like that out there, or maybe there are, I don't know. It's going to take practice, you know, we just got to start doing it. And maybe I should accept some of the help. I've had friends emailing me and texting me, oh, I'll fly out and help you, or let's schedule a time and I'll come over and help you. But I feel like I can do it. Might need some help, but I'm doing it, right? And it just takes experience and practice. Just like anything else in life, we can never do anything perfectly the first time, but after a few times, we might get the hang of it and learn how to do it better. These actually aren't coming out too bad. Kind of like them. See, not bad. Not the way the recipe is, but it's going to be the same ingredients. It's just going to be a different size and texture. So, okay, that's it for now. See you later. I'm Skippy Line Dance today.